Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I get this crimped hairstyle right here. I don't know if you can tell, but I did a half up crimped hair because I do get a lot of questions of how I crimp my hair. So if you guys are interested on seeing this tutorial, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start the tutorial for you guys. For crimped hair, I get this asked so many times. How do you crimp your hair? How do you crimp your hair? How do you crimp your hair? So I'm finally going to do the tutorial, but I am going to add a little twist to it. I'm actually going to do like a half up thing with the crimper. I just don't want my hair up in my face today, so I'm just going to have lip gloss. So I am going to show you guys how to do that half up ponytail as well. So the first thing you're going to need is obviously the crimper. So this is my 3-barrel crimper right here. Honestly, don't even know where I got it. I've had it for so many years and it's amazing. But nowadays you can find a crimper anywhere. Also going to need hairspray. I like to use this one from Ion. You're going to need a hairbrush, hair tie, maybe hair gel. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to part my hair on the back, and I usually do, what is this, like 3 inches for every piece. Usually the top is a little bit more like chunkier, and then I'm going to split that in half. My hair's already brushed, and I am going to start, we're not starting all the way at the top, we're starting probably 4 inches away from the root. Hold it for a few seconds and then crimp it from the bottom part. Continue to do that. And like I said, I do only leave it on for a few seconds. My hair is me smoking just because I don't want it super crimped. You know how like back then when we used to crimp our hair? Yeah, we're not going for that. We just want a little bit of a wave to it. So literally like 3 seconds is probably all you need. Okay. Leave it, do not touch it until your hair cools. That is the #1 rule that I have learned, especially in, you know, being a cosmetologist, is do not touch your hair until it's cooled off. Because you're going to ruin your curl, you're going to ruin your crimp, you know, whatever you do to it, you're going to ruin it. Now, this one is from my ear. Same, split it in half, and this one I'm actually going to split it in 4 pieces, so 2 on each side. And I know some guy. Once again, a few inches away from the root. 1, 2, 3. Continue. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Same on this one. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. The reason, this is why I love this hairstyle. It's so quick and easy. 1, 2, 3. Have you guys seen that video of that girl when she burns off her hair? Me. I've always been so scared to do that, but like I've obviously never left my hair in a freaking bean sack for that long. Like who would do that? Man, that video haunts me. I feel like so many hairdressers just like lost it the day they found that video. Horrible. Okay, so for the top half of my head, I am not going to, como se dice, crimp it off. So when you get to the top, I'm going to do from like kind of from my temple area up. And just make sure all my baby hairs are out of the way. Okay, so like I said, temples up, and then, híjole, me peiné, I need to take the pelos off. Why is it whenever you want to do something really fast, it never comes out? That's why you have to take your time with things. Okay. Ahora sí. Tighten it. And this is what it should look like. I'm just going to look for the parts that aren't crimped. is I'm going to split it in half. I don't know if you guys can see this. I'm going to hold it for about 4 seconds because it is a little bit more thicker. And then for this one, I'm going to split it in half. And then same, just a few seconds. That one didn't even reach anymore. What I need. So now that that's done, let it cool for a little bit. While that's cooling, I'm just gonna spray all these little bellitos down. Okay, so now you can run your fingers through it, and what I like to do is I do like to spray it just to make it a little bit more voluminous. The bottom part, I'm gonna tease it, put it down, and then put the top layer on top. Alright, so that is the end of the tutorial. I hope you guys really enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on that post notification button so you get notified every time I post a new video. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.